Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it has long piqued the interest of scientists and astronomers. It is a world of extremes, with the fastest winds, the most moons, and the solar system's greatest storm. It is also a mysterious world with a solid core that may have formed as a result of the collision of two or more smaller planets. One of the most startling discoveries regarding Jupiter is that it may not circle the Sun at all. Instead, Jupiter and the Sun are thought to orbit around the same gravitational center. This is due to Jupiter's immense size, which causes its gravity to tug on the Sun. As a result, the Sun is not totally stationary and instead revolves around Jupiter in a very short radius. This revelation has far-reaching consequences for our understanding of the formation of the solar system. Previously, scientists believed that the planets originated from a disk of gas and dust orbiting around the Sun. However, if Jupiter is indeed circling the Sun, the disk of gas and dust must have been far larger than previously assumed. The possibility that Jupiter has a solid core is another unexpected discovery. For a very long time, astronomers thought Jupiter was a gas giant with no surface. Recent research, however, suggests that Jupiter may contain a solid core consisting of metal and rock. It is hypothesized that this core, which is around the size of Earth, is situated near the heart of Jupiter's atmosphere. This revelation has consequences for how we see the formation of Jupiter. Scientists now think that two or more smaller planets may have collided to make Jupiter. The planets would have heated up and melted during the impact, and the solid core would have developed when the planets cooled. Jupiter may contain a magnetic field in addition to a solid core. The rotation of the planet is assumed to be the source of this magnetic field. There is a powerful magnetic field that reaches far into space. Jupiter's auroras are produced by charged particles trapped in its magnetic field that come from the Sun. Jupiter has some of the solar system's most breathtaking auroras. They are visible from Earth and appear as bright bands of light around the globe. The magnetic field of Jupiter interacts with charged particles from the Sun to produce the auroras. Jupiter's potential ring system is another intriguing discovery. Although considerably fainter than Saturn's rings, this ring system is nonetheless discernible from Earth. It is believed that dust and other microscopic particles that have been drawn into Jupiter's gravity make up the ring system. The new revelations concerning Jupiter have called into question our knowledge of the planet. Jupiter is clearly far more intricate than we previously assumed. It has a solid core, a magnetic field, and a ring system. It's also a planet that may or may not orbit the Sun. These findings are merely the beginning, and we will most certainly learn far more about Jupiter in the coming years. In recent years, scientists have learned a lot of additional unexpected aspects about Jupiter, in addition to the discoveries already stated. We now know, for instance, that Jupiter possesses the solar system's strongest winds, the most moons of any planet, and a great red spot that has been raging for ages. All of these findings have contributed to a better understanding of Jupiter's position in the solar system. They have also posed a number of fresh issues, such as the viability of life on Jupiter. We are sure to discover considerably more about this interesting planet as we continue to investigate Jupiter. The Great Red Spot is one of Jupiter's most recognizable features. It has been centuries since this enormous storm first began. 13 Earths may fit inside the Great Red Spot due to its size. It has winds that may gust up to 400 miles per hour and is also incredibly deep. Uncertainty surrounds the Great Red Spot's origin. Some scientists think it's a massive hurricane, while others think it's a massive anticyclone. The Great Red Spot is a genuinely stunning phenomenon, regardless of its origin. Jupiter is the planet in the solar system with the most moons, with a total of 79. Ganymede, the biggest of the 4 moons, is even bigger than Mercury. Despite being much smaller than the other moons of Jupiter, they are nonetheless interesting bodies. Jupiter has several moons, some of which are ringed and some of which are volcanically active. Along with moons that have been created, there are moons that have been captured by asteroids. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Stay with us.